Upgrading your hard drive to get more storage space is just one reason. There's more to it than just capacity. Let's quickly go through the most common primary storage devices in your computer. The three main types are HDD, SSD, and hybrid. Understanding the differences will help you choose the best possible upgrade for your current system. HDDs, hard disk drives, are mechanical drives that store data magnetically. They offer high storage capacity but are slower in performance when compared with SSDs. SSDs, solid-state drives, use flash memory to store data. This results in faster data access times and improved performance. SSDs are more energy efficient compared to HDDs, which helps to extend laptop battery charge. Hybrid drives combine the benefits of both HDDs and SSDs. They have a traditional hard drive for high-capacity storage and a small SSD cache for fast data access. So if you need more storage capacity, but also want to improve system performance, enhance reliability, and increase laptop battery life, consider upgrading to an SSD. Before you do anything, you need to check what's supported by your system to know what you can install. You can do this in a couple of ways. You can check in Windows settings for basic storage details like brand, model, type, and capacity, and info about disks and volumes. But use the Dell website for a much more comprehensive look at your system's storage. Go to dell.com/support and identify your system using the service tag or click on Detect this PC automatically. Click on Documentation and under Manuals and Documents, look for Setup and Specifications and click on View Page. On the left menu, expand the Specifications tab and select Storage. This is where you will find all the pertinent information regarding your system's drives, how many slots there are and what's available, the speed limitations, the storage and interface connection type, the storage capacity, and the different combinations of storage devices you can install. It's best to get the proper parts for your Dell PC through Dell. From within Dell support site, on the home page, click on Parts and Repairs. Select Storage, Drives, and Media to get a list of results for compatible parts and upgrades for your system storage offered through Dell. Browse, compare, and look up product details. Add your selection to your cart and go through the checkout process. You can even take advantage of Dell's special financing offer. Once you've got your new drive, it's time to install it following the installation instructions and safety precautions as outlined by your Dell Service Manual. To find yours, on the Dell Support homepage, click on Documentation and look under the Manuals and Documents section for the Service Manual and click on View PDF. Within the chapter Removing and Installing Components, refer to the pages about your drive. Click on the page number to be taken to the section for removal and installation. The process usually requires minimum tools, and in most cases, all you will need is just a screwdriver. If you still need help or have any questions about upgrading your hard drive, contact us through social media for further assistance. We also have the Dell Community Forum where you can see what others have to say about the subject. There are many other support tutorials available on this channel, so become a subscriber today. Thanks for watching.